In this video, we will look at an example on how to calculate point price elasticity of demand for a given demand schedule. As you can see, point price elasticity for a specific point, there are number of points given in this demand schedule, and we would need to calculate the price elasticity of demand for the respective points. So as you know, the equation to calculate price elasticity of demand is dq over dp into p over q. So if you take the point A, the difference is the quantity is actually decreasing from 600 to 500. So q2 minus q1, that is 500 minus 600 would give us 100, and dp is actually 4 minus 2 would be 2, and the specific price for the point A is actually 2, and specific quantity demanded for point A would be 600. So as you can, if you solve this, it would be minus 1 over 6. So let's take another example for point D here. So if we take point D, ED, and for point D, this would be A. If we calculate it, it is again dq over dp into p over q, and this would be the same dq over dp. You see 200 minus 300 would be minus 100. You can take either points, one above or one below, it doesn't make a difference. So it would be from 8 to 10 it is increasing, so it will be 2 into the specific point for D, the price point would be 8, and the specific quantity demanded would be 300. It will be 4. So minus 4 by 3, or minus 1 over 1 into 3. So for it would be minus 4.4 over 3. As you can see, this would be an absolute value less than 1, and if it is less than 1, it is not as responsive for the price changes, so this would be an inelastic point. But this is more than 1 in absolute value, so the price changes will actually have a much larger impact and it will be elastic, and you would be able to calculate for each point the price elasticity of demand. And this is the way to calculate for point price elasticity of demand. We have actually discussed extensively on point price elasticity of demand. When given an equation, how do we calculate it, and when given a demand schedule, how do we calculate it using this equation. The important point here to note that point price elasticity of demand is calculated when there is a small change in price or quantity. When there is a bigger change in quantity or price, we actually need to use arc elasticity of demand. This is the second way to calculate elasticity of demand, price elasticity of demand. As you can see, both these methods actually are better than the basic equation of elasticity of demand. So in our next video, we will discuss how to calculate price elasticity of demand using arc elasticity.